Hey there, space enthusiasts! Imagine standing at a launch site, the excitement of liftoff building up, when suddenly, an unexpected blast shakes the ground. Today, we're diving into the puzzling event of a SpaceX explosion that's sparking debates among experts and fans alike. Stick with us as we unpack this incident, explore the nuances of rocket safety, and discover what it all means for the future of space technology. Setting the stage, SpaceX has always been at the forefront of space exploration, pushing boundaries and breaking new ground in space technology. However, even with advanced systems, challenges do arise. In today's video, we examine a surprising explosion that occurred during a critical pre-launch phase. Was it just a minor technical glitch? Or is there a bigger story hidden behind this SpaceX explosion? Let's set the context and get into the details. Unpacking the incident. Let's break down what might have happened. Initial reports suggest that the explosion occurred during a routine pre-launch check, catching the team off guard. Some experts point to potential issues with fuel line management or an unanticipated reaction within the engine system. Incidents like these underline the importance of rigorous rocket safety protocols. Every setback is a reminder that in the realm of space technology, even small oversights can lead to dramatic outcomes. By examining these details, we gain valuable insights into improving safety measures for future missions. Impact and future implications. This incident isn't just a momentary hiccup. It's a learning opportunity for the entire space industry. The SpaceX explosion has triggered conversations about enhancing rocket safety standards and revisiting engineering protocols. Engineers are now looking at innovative ways to refine designs and implement more robust safety checks, ensuring that every future launch is safer. This event demonstrates that progress in space technology comes not only from successes, but also from understanding and overcoming failures. It's a critical step forward in making space exploration more secure and efficient. Final thoughts. In the world of space exploration, every challenge opens the door to innovation. Today's discussion on the SpaceX explosion reminds us that setbacks can drive progress and lead to breakthroughs in rocket safety and space technology. If you enjoyed this step-by-step breakdown and want to explore more fascinating insights into the world of space, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. Stay curious, stay safe, and see you in the next video.